Today, Max, our adorable golden retriever chef, is taking over the kitchen to make a delicious spaghetti meal for us.
Hey everyone, today's my big day in the kitchen. With my trusty chef hat and apron, I'm ready to make a meal to remember. I just love this cozy kitchen. Look at all these wonderful pots and pans. Feels like the perfect place to create something delicious. So, are you all ready to cook with me? Trust me, you're in for a treat. I've got some amazing spaghetti planned for today. Alright, here I am, ready to begin. I feel like a true chef with my apron and hat. Let's get cooking, shall we? Now for the bell pepper. Bright colors make every dish better. Let's keep going, our spaghetti will be packed with flavor. Alright, time to focus. Let's hold this carrot steady and make sure each chop is just right. Precision is key. Hey look, I chopped a piece. Not too bad, huh? Just wait till you see what's next. First things first, we need some fresh veggies. This carrot is looking perfect for a tasty spaghetti dish. Check out my twirl. Cooking isn't just about the food. It's about having fun too. Are you all joining in? Come on, let's make this kitchen groove. Cooking should always bring a smile. Strike a pose. The perfect balance of joy and flavor, that's my style. Cooking is a joy, and a little dance makes it even more fun. Ladle in one paw, spatula in the other, it's a cooking party. Here it is, our star ingredient, spaghetti. Gotta handle it with care for the best pasta ever. In it goes. Nothing better than the sight of fresh pasta cooking away in a big, steaming pot. Looking good, huh? I'm so proud of how this is turning out. Just a little patience now. Let's give it a stir, just to make sure it's all cooking perfectly. This is going to be one tasty meal. Our spaghetti will be as tasty as it is beautiful. Ah, my lovely guest, Luna, has arrived. Couldn't make this special meal without her. Welcome, Luna. Let me hold your Luna, and welcome you to my humble kitchen. Every chef needs someone special to cook for. Come along, Luna. The table is set, and our spaghetti is waiting. Let's enjoy this meal together.